Black Lives Matter became the most horrible racial issue for US. Thousands of people marched on the street to protest the death of George Floyd. It was not about how painful the killing is, but it was about how dignity needs to be respected. Let's throw back to the case between Balinese and Lampungness last 2012. Triggered by misunderstanding between two cultures, many souls were gone, many houses were burned, and many people were injured. Simply, it is easy to be understood, but it is truly evil to be committed. My name is Safa Azahra, and I'm a 10-year student at SMA Quran Darul Fatah, Lampung. And the topic that I have chosen today is Mega Diverse Culture, Boomerang for Humanity. So, talking about culture, do you know what is culture? Andreas Epping defined culture as reflection of life principles. It is about how to humanize human, and it is about how to respect the nature. These principles are inherited from the ancestor to the generation. Uniquely, this nation comprises as mega diverse culture. Based on the data of National Bureau of Statistics, it is not 100, but it is 1,000 culture exists in this nation. Therefore, no wonder if UNESCO put us as one of mega diverse cultural country in this universe. Each archipelago has their own culture as identity and dignity. For example, Lampung has Piil, Java has Unan-Unan, Bali has Masaiban, and others. We believe that this mega diverse city is the key of nation harmony and unity. However, the growth of globalization creates a massive threat for our cultures. For many cultural conflicts, it is always because of misunderstanding between two parties. Consequently, many of our brothers and sisters became the victims. Many experts claim all is because of the virus of westernization and technology attack. First, westernization. We all know that currently the influence of Western and European value is that high. People find it cool to follow the Western culture. All is reflected from the moral degradation. See how most millennials more prefer Prada than Gabovira. And see how most millennials more respecting their gadgets than their parents. People are blindly following the Western culture without knowing its consequences. Second, technology attack. Many of us fail to define technology. Many of us fail to employ technology. And many of us fail to accept technology role in our lives. We are not standing as men behind the gun, but in vice versa, as the fact that technology brings more harm than good. For many conflicts happened, our unity is slaved by technology that triggers serious conflict among the cultures. See how the overwhelming emotional content on social media escalated tension between two groups. Our president on last 75th UN anniversary addressed that technology will never benefit no one, because there is no point of celebrating victory among ruins, meaning that it is crucial to work hand in hand to keep the unity. So, the best solution to do is to grow up the value of Sili Asah, Sili Asih, and Sili Asuh, that each of us need to empower others to educate, to understand, and to respect. Perhaps unifying 260 million minds with different dignities would be impossible. But by the sake of nation harmony, it is truly possible. In short, don't let this mega diverse become boomerang for our humanity. Remember, Sili Asah, Sili Asih, and Sili Asuh will stabilize different perspectives, will sustain the unity, and will guide the harmony. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.